Welcome to Field Notes. I'm your host, Hayley Fleming, and today we'll be talking about women in science. In 1999, marine biologist Yumi Arimitsu embarked on her first research cruise counting seabirds and forage fish on an ADF&G vessel in Alaskan waters. She remembers the two deckhands on board mentioned that this was the first all-women science crew they had ever seen working on the ship. Fast forward a couple decades, Yumi reflects that although it was pretty rare when she first began her scientific career, these days she works with all-women crews all the time. In her experience, the inherent bias in the sciences towards men has become less so over time. Today she works with women in all aspects of her research. Yumi attributes this shift to the significant effort to raise awareness of the issue over the last 20 years and thinks the problem is partially generational. She says, over time these differences will become less apparent, like so many other changes we observe. The old paradigm will be behind us someday, and agency leadership will become more aware as women continue to advocate for change and equity. When Yumi is hiring someone, she doesn't think about gender. She's looking at your qualifications and the work that needs to get done. Gender doesn't determine what abilities people have. Although inequities persist, she's seen more and more women in the sciences in recent decades, and she doesn't anticipate the trend will change. Yumi's advice for women looking to get involved in the sciences is to be innovative and competent. Some people may be better at certain things, but that strength isn't based on gender. She says, if you tell yourself, yes, I can do that, and I can do that better than anyone else, no matter who they are, that's how they will succeed and stand out. Yumi began as a volunteer field biologist working in Kachemak Bay, then spent several years as a seasonal field technician and eventually worked her way to lead the seabird and forage fish ecology program at the USGS Alaska Science Center. She has studied coastal marine ecosystems in Alaska for over 25 years. Her work focuses on predators and their prey and the effects of climate change on marine ecosystems, from melting glaciers to marine heat waves. This work is important because marine ecosystems in Alaska are changing rapidly with the warming of our oceans. To find out more about Yumi's work and other women in the sciences, check out our website at pwssc.org. Thanks for listening.